So in this video I want to show you how to fix a tom drum of a Medeli dd501 electric drum kit. If I hit this softly, you only hear the rubber, just like here. And I can hit this harder as well. You only hear the rubber. If I hit this one harder, something resonates. So I'm going to take it apart and try to fix it. So one more interesting part, that if I hit it like this, you hear it resonating. Softly you don't hear it, hard you hear it. But if I pull this up, I can hit it hard. It's gone. There it is again. So I removed the tom drum, and here you can see the problem. That's this plastic cap, metal. When you hit it hard, hitting this plastic cap, you can actually see the marks here when it is hit. Also got a good tom drum here. You don't see those marks. You can actually see there's more space in between here, so it doesn't hit this cap. So one can disconnect this cap by taking out two of these screws here, one here and one here, and also this drumming bolt with the special drum kit key, which also used to get it off the drum kit. And you can take this thing off. Be very careful not to break these little wires here, because they're interconnected here to the piezo element, which converts the movement into electricity. And here you can see the marks where it hits and makes the resonating sound. And I'm going to try putting on a little foam sticker that I had laying around, putting it on there to try to remove the resonating sound. Let's see if it works. So that fixed it. It's reconnected. I can now hit it quite hard. This one still needs some fixing. This one's fixed. So this is the solution. Some foam tape, but you can use any foamy stuff, I guess, maybe even tissues or whatever, to stop it from resonating. So this one still needs fixing. This one is fixed. Here you go with the solution. Very easy. I think it's kind of a design flaw, but this is usable again. So I hope this helped for this kit. Bye bye. So one more thing, for the third tom drum I used two pieces of foam on top of each other, so you get to about 2 millimeters of foam in between, and this is also fixed now. So they all stopped resonating. And here you can see, if I turn it on, that it's also actually working. But it's mainly, of course, that you can hit it hard, but it's not anymore doing the resonating sound. Alright, hope this helped. Bye bye.